tutorials out there are misleading, using clickbait titles or promoting tools that claim to be free but actually require payments up front. Some platforms offer limited free credits, just enough to get started but not enough to complete a full video. Others provide a free version, but with a giant watermark or severely reduced quality, making the final product nearly unusable. But don't worry, since you're watching digital technology today, you'll learn how to convert images into high-quality AI videos for free, without watermarks or limitations. The best part? This method works on both PC and mobile, and I'll guide you through creating both landscape and portrait videos step by step. No unnecessary complexity, just simple and practical instructions to get you started instantly. Stay until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll be amazed by the results. Let's begin. Step 1. Access the free AI video tool. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to visit the tool's homepage. Here you can explore sample creations and view the prompts used to generate them. You can either copy these prompts or customize them to create your own unique videos. To start, click on Create Video, which will open your workspace with unlimited customization options. But before we dive into the features, let's unlock unlimited free credits so you can generate as many AI videos as you like. Step 2. Unlock unlimited free credits. This part is crucial, so pay close attention. Click on the Charge button at the top, which will prompt you to log in. However, don't use your official email. Instead, we'll use Temp Mail to create unlimited free accounts. Open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Click on the first website that appears. Generate a temporary email, but don't copy it yet. Scroll down and click Delete, then refresh to get a new email. Copy this new email and paste it into the sign-up box on the AI Tools website. Click Get Code for verification, then switch back to the Temp Mail site to find the verification email. Copy the verification code and enter it on the AI Tools website. Set a password and click Done. That's it. You're now logged in with 300 free credits, allowing you to generate 10 to 15 AI videos with no restrictions. Unlike other tools that offer minimal credits, this method lets you repeat the process as many times as you need using Temp Mail. Important, don't skip the next step. If you don't follow the process correctly, your video may end up with a watermark. Step 3. Upload or generate an AI image. On the left side of your workspace, you'll see an Upload Image box. Click it, select an image from your device, and it will appear in your workspace. No image, no problem. This tool allows you to generate AI images instantly. Scroll to the image prompt box. Type a description, e.g., a young girl sitting at a dining table eating food. Click Generate, and within seconds, an AI-generated image will appear. However, AI-generated images can sometimes be inconsistent. For better results, use pre-existing images or those created with a more advanced AI tool. If you want to learn how to generate consistent AI images for free, I've covered it in my previous video, linked in the description. Step 4. Customize video settings. At the top center of your screen, you'll see several options. Music selection. Choose from the built-in library or upload your own audio for added engagement. Lip sync. Enabling lip sync makes characters move their lips to match the audio. Cost 40 credit. If disabled, the animation will still be smooth, but will cost only 30 credits. Video prompt box. This is where you instruct the AI on how to animate your image. If you used an AI-generated image, you can paste the same prompt here for consistency. Step 5. Generate and download your video without a watermark. Click Generate Video, and depending on your settings, it will deduct 30 or 40 credit. The AI will then process your video. Here's the key to avoiding a watermark. As soon as the optimizing your video message appears, download it immediately. On PC, laptop, right-click the video and select Save Video As. On mobile, press and hold the video, then tap Download Video. If a watermark appears, regenerate and download immediately before the watermark gets added. Now let's check the results. Your AI-generated video should be smooth, high quality, and natural looking, just like it was filmed professionally. AI animated videos have massive viral potential because they're dynamic and engaging. With this method, you can create an unlimited number of videos using free credits and the Temp Mail trick. Final thoughts and next steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. It really helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials. Got any questions? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to every single one. Before you go, check out the next recommended video on your screen. If it's showing up, that means it's important for you. See you in the next one. Bye for now.